In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the focused and other inbox views in New Outlook 365. If you've ever felt like messages are getting lost between the focused and other tabs, this quick walkthrough will put everything back into one unified list, sorted by date, so you can see every email at a glance. First, open Outlook and look to the top right corner of the window for the Settings gear icon. Click that to open the Quick Settings pane. This is your starting point for adjusting how your mailbox looks and behaves. Next, head into the Mail section and choose Layout. Layout controls how messages are presented, including whether Outlook tries to prioritize certain emails for you. The option we need lives here under the Focused Inbox area. If you use more than one email account in Outlook, take a moment to select the specific account you want to change. Focused Inbox is controlled per account, which means you can turn it off for one inbox while leaving it on for another. Selecting the right account now will make sure the change applies exactly where you want it. Now, find the Focused Inbox section. You'll see an option that says, Don't sort my messages. Select that. This tells Outlook to stop categorizing messages into focused and other, and to show everything together in a single view instead. It doesn't delete or move mail outside your inbox. It simply changes how messages are grouped. If you see a Save button, click Save to apply the change. In some versions, Outlook saves automatically as soon as you make the selection. If you don't see an immediate change, give it a second to refresh. Occasionally, closing and reopening the Settings pane helps. Once applied, the focused and other tabs will disappear, and your inbox will display one continuous list of emails. A few quick tips. This change affects only the account you selected. If you want the same behavior for other accounts, repeat these steps for each one. Your emails themselves are untouched. Only the sorting view changes. Search, flags, categories, and rules work exactly the same. If you ever want to bring Focused Inbox back, return to the same Layout section and switch from Don't Sort My Messages to the Focused Sorting option. That's all you need to remove the focused and other views in New Outlook 365. Enjoy a simpler, unified inbox, and feel free to revisit these settings anytime to tailor your email experience to how you like to work.